Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to add relation type in Tinder. If you're looking for something specific, let's add your relationship type to your Tinder profile. First, open Tinder and go to your profile by tapping on the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open your personal profile section from where you can update your personal information. So tap on edit profile or the pencil icon right here. Then scroll to the relationship type section. Here, select the option that fits your preferences like height, languages, zodiac signs, education, etc. After you're done, simply tap on the top left corner of the screen, which will automatically save your changes. Now your matches know exactly what you're looking for, and it is that simple and easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.